Hello everyone, welcome back to Mtale TV. My name is Robert Mtale and I'll be your chemistry tutor. In today's episode, the new series we're starting, we're going to be looking at a question on more concept which came in the 2025 Pure Chemistry Paper 2. So without any further ado, let's start our first episode. Alright, so the question reads, Elena reacted 0.765 grams of aluminium oxide with 100 grams of 100 centimeter cubic of 0.1500 moles per cubic decimeter sulfuric acid and collected 1.368 grams of aluminium sulfate. Alright, so question A4 reads, construct a chemical equation for the reaction including state symbols. Construct a chemical equation for the reaction including what? State symbols. So what you need to know is that aluminum oxide is a metal oxide. And when a metal oxide reacts with an acid, the products are salt and water. So this is a key concept you need to know. Whenever a metal oxide reacts with an acid, the products are always salt and water. So in this case, when we react aluminum oxide with sulfuric acid, we're going to say aluminum oxide plus sulfuric acid will going to give us what? Aluminum sulfate plus water. Now we need to balance the equation. So for us to balance the equation properly, first of all, we need to check if the equation is already balanced. Alright, so we have aluminum atoms, there are 2 on both sides. Count here, there are 2. Then sulfate groups are 3 on both sides. Yes, there are 3. Then hydrogen atoms are 6 on both sides. Yes, there are 6. Then oxygen atoms are 15 on both sides. Yes, there are 15 on both sides. So therefore, the balance equation is aluminum oxide plus 3 sulfuric acid will give us aluminum sulfate plus 3 water. Alright, so that's how you write it. That's how you construct the chemical equation. Thank you for watching Mtale TV. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things. Please do join us again tomorrow at 18 hours for another episode, which is episode 2, where we shall look at the next part of the question. Please, if you enjoyed this lesson, help support us by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. This was Robert Mtale, your tutor.